All right, let's talk college football, SEC football, and it's going to be a good Saturday. The question's going to be, weather-wise, what are we going to see across SEC country? So there's all of our cities here, and these are the ones in action: Columbia, Missouri; Lexington, Kentucky hosts Florida; Nashville, Vanderbilt plays host to Auburn; the Citadel visits Oxford and Ole Miss; Starkville plays host to the number 5 Bulldogs of UGA; and Alabama LSU. That'll be a later game, and things are going to be rocking there in Bryant-Denny Stadium. So let's do an overview of the weather here. We'll start Saturday morning. Lots of tailgaters, a sprinkle or two down across Alabama, maybe in Starkville. We're dry in Lexington, Nashville, and Columbia. As we zoom out, in Missouri, we're going to see a mid-latitude cyclone. Center low is going to pass just to the north of Missouri. Could be a breezy day there. Best chance of rain is going to be early in the day on that one. Then as we look at the big picture, be glad you're not in Big Ten country, because Michigan, Indiana, Illinois, Ohio, all going to get a cold soaking rain. And if you're up near Grand Rapids, off to the north, it's going to be snowy. But isolated shower or storm if you're out tailgating in Tuscaloosa. Nashville, we should stay dry. Starkville, Oxford for those games. Lexington, a passing cold shower in the evening. But again, rain's not going to be widespread for a lot of our SEC games. While possible, shouldn't be the narrative of the game. So we'll go in timely order, starting in Starkville, as Georgia Bulldogs come to town. My Mississippi State Bulldogs trying to finally finish off a game. We got to win in Fayetteville, but wouldn't it be great to beat Georgia? I was in Starkville, Mississippi, Davis Wade, when we knocked them off back in 2010. It's been a while since we beat the Bulldogs. 73 at kickoff, 78 for final whistle. Partly cloudy skies. Shouldn't be an issue of rain. Just to the north, the rival in Oxford, Ole Miss playing host to Citadel, shouldn't be a problem for them. Kickoff 73, final whistle 73, temperatures in the middle of the game, mid-70s with partly cloudy sky. Again, no threat of rain there in Oxford. And moving further to the north here, Columbia, this is when we start to talk about the potential for rain. Again, not a washout, but you saw that system, some showers early, a bit breezy at times. 61 at kickoff, 54 for the final whistles. The number 3 Aggies head into Columbia. Tough place to play. Missouri trying to hold serve there in the top 25 of the college football rankings. And then we go over to Nashville. Auburn headed up to see Diego Pavia, the Vanderbilt Commodores. 72 at kickoff. You saw those showers potentially moving through. It's pretty low in rain threat there, but again, we might see something, especially towards the second half of the game. Again, I'd go with partly cloudy skies. And again, warm temperatures, all things considered. Let's head to the evening games, the night games. First, we'll go to Lexington, Kentucky, Kroger Field, and kickoff there about 57 degrees, mostly cloudy, and we'll have a chance of a shower by the end of it. Temperatures falling potentially to the upper 40s by the end of this one. Florida, an interim coach, headed up to Kentucky. Kentucky, in a very uneventful game, beat Auburn, so we'll see if that offense can keep rolling as the Gators come to town. And, of course, the big one here, if you're down in Alabama country as I am, LSU, Alabama, Bryant-Denny Stadium, 70 at kickoff, final whistle about 63, a passing shower too with a partly cloudy sky. And all in all, no major issues here that I can see weather-wise. We'll keep a close eye on it. That's your football forecast for this week. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe. See you next time.